X is, you can plug it back into either one of these and solve for y. So if I plug it in here, 4 plus 2y equals 8, so 2y equals 4, so y equals 2. And I can plug those two back in, and you'll end up at the same place. So can somebody put it together into a point for me? What would the point be answer? 1, 2, 3, x, y, z. Points are always in alphabetical order unless stated otherwise. Because they can use the letters X, Y, Z. They're going to use A, B, C. They can use whatever letters they want to. Yes?
Is there like some kind of slope to these problems?
There is. It's just, as you can imagine, it's more difficult to define because it's still a line. It's still the same line, but now it can move in, it sounds weird. But now it's defined in 3 dimensions. So it's like, how do I see this line slope? There's a certain form to put it in that we actually teach in Math 285. So it's a little beyond us.
A little.
Vectors and shit. Yeah.
So when you want the answer, you want past that.
Yeah, either at least this. But that would really make me, a little tears. Because that's the geometric idea, is that's the point where these planes would meet. I like it. But if you give me as long as you circle these guys, that's okay. But the real answer should be a point. It's always, what's the answer to a system of equations? A point. Or points. Or no solution.
Okay, so when we get the ones that are like in the squares, the equations in the squares, what are we doing with those after that?
So now between those two I can kill. If I kill a letter between them, then I have only one letter left. I like it.
How can I get C?
How do you get what? Oh. At this point we knew what X was, right?
Yeah.
So if you plug in 1 here, because I know X is 1. So 1 plus Z is 4, so Z is 3. The minute you know a letter, you go back and you plug it in
4 or 5.
to an earlier equation. Yeah, one of the 4 or 5. Because that's the one. This only has X and Z in it. So if I know what X is, I know what Z is. All day long. There, I got to know what X and Z so I can figure out what Y is. So that's why I don't use one of these until I know 2 things. Now I can plug those in and I can figure out what Y is. Cool, I like it. All right. You guys want to take a break? Yes, let's take a break. Take a break.